In this video, we will be using the nth term. Earlier, we used the term position to term rule. Both position to term rule and the nth term of the given expression is same. Now, in question 1, the nth term is given. It is 2n plus 1. Now here n is a variable and n assumes different values like 1, 2, 3 and 4. So by substituting various values for n, we will find the first term, second term, third term and fourth term. Now when n is equal to 1, this expression becomes 2 times 1 into 1, which is given here, and the value is 3. So the first term is 3. In second term, n assumes 2. In third term, n assumes 3. In fourth term, n assumes 4. So we will find the values. Here, second term, the answer is 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1, 5. In third term, the answer is 2 times 3 plus 1 is 7. And the answer for the fourth term is 9. So the terms of the sequence are 3, 5, 7, 9. Moving on to question B. Here the position to term rule or nth term is 3n minus 2. In this expression, we need to replace n by 1, 2, 3, 4 to find the first term, second term, third term and fourth term. Now when we replace n by various values, we get values for the first term as 1. Now moving on to find the second term, the answer is 3 times 2 is 6, 6 minus 2 is 4. Third term, 3 times 3 is 9, 9 minus 2 is 7. Fourth term will be 4, 3 times 4 is 12, 12 minus 2 is 10. So the terms of the given sequence are 1, 4, 7, 10. Now in question 2, we have to work out the first 3 terms. Then we need to find the 10th term of the sequence when the nth term is given. So here we have 4 questions. The nth term is given. Question A, the nth term is n plus 6. We have to find the first 3 terms and the 10th term. Now, first term is equal to 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. The second term is 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. The third term is equal to 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. And we need to find the 10th term. The 10th term is equal to 10 plus 6 is equal to 16. Now moving on to the next sum. The general nth term is given. Nth term is equal to 2n plus 5. So first term is equal to 2 times 1 plus 5 is equal to 7. The second term is equal to 2 times 2 plus 5 is equal to 9. The third term is equal to 2 times 3 plus 5 is equal to 11. And the 10th term is 2 times 10 plus 5 is equal to 25. Now moving on to the next sum. The nth term is 3n minus 1. The first term is 3 into 1 minus 1 is equal to 2. The second term is 3 times 2 minus 1 is equal to 5. The third term is equal to 3 times 3 minus 1 is equal to 8. And the 10th term is 3 times 10 minus 1 is equal to 29. Moving on to the last sum. Here the nth term is 4n minus 3. Now let's find the first three terms and the 10th term. So first term is 4 times 1 minus 3 is equal to 1. Second term is equal to 4 times 2 minus 3 is equal to 8 minus 3 is 5. The third term is 4 times 3 minus 3 is equal to 9. And the 10th term is equal to 4 times 10 minus 3 is equal to 40 minus 3 is 37. Moving on to the next sum, we have to match the yellow card with the blue card. On the left side, we can see the sequence of numbers, and on the right side, we can see the nth term. We have to match the sequence with the expression card. Now let's take the first one, card A. Here the sequence is 8, 9, 10, 11, etc. So 8 plus 1 will give us 9, 9 plus 1 will give 10, 10 plus 1 will give 11. So the nth term will be nth term is equal to 1 into n. Now let's check this. 1 into 1 will be 1. 1 plus 7 will give us 8, which is the first term. So the nth term is n plus 7. So A matches with 6, n plus 7. Now we will look at the card B. Card B shows 4, 8, 12, 16. Now 4, the difference of 4 and 8 is 4. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. So nth term is equal to 4 times n. Now put 1 here. 4 into 1 is 4. 4, we need not add or subtract anything with 4n. So the answer is 4n. So B 4n is here. So B matches with this. So B matches with 4n. Now moving on to C. The sequence is minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0. Now minus 3 plus 1 gives minus 2, minus 2 plus 1 gives minus 1, and minus 1 plus 1 gives 0. So the nth term is equal to 1n. When you put n is equal to 1, 1 into 1 is 1. 1 minus 4 will give minus 3. So n minus 4. So n minus 4 is here. It means C matches with 1. So C matches with 1. Moving on to the next sum, card D. D, the card is 7, 14, 21, 28, etc. Now here you can see this is an increasing sequence. The second term is obtained by adding 7. 21 is obtained by adding plus 7 to 14. 28 is obtained by adding 7 to 21. So here the nth term is equal to 7n because if you put 1 instead of n, it will be 7, which is the first term. So we can see here 7n is here. D matches with 7n. D matches with 7n. Moving on to the next, E. E is 6, 8, 12, 10, 12, etc. So 8 is obtained by adding 2 to 6, 10 is obtained by adding 2 to 8, 12 is obtained by adding 2 to 10. So here the nth term is equal to 2n. If you put n is equal to 1, 2 into 1 is 2. To get 6, we have to add 4. So 2n plus 4. So 2n plus 4, this is the second blue card. E matches with 2. So E matches with 2. And finally, there is only one sequence and one blue card. It will definitely match with that. So F matches with 3. Moving on to the next sum, we have to show that the first 4 terms of the sequence are 8, 8, 1 by 2, 8, 3 by 4, and 9. So this is the nth term. We have to replace n by 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's solve that. So nth term is equal to 1 by 4n plus 8. Here you replace n by 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the first term is equal to 1 by 4 plus 8 is equal to 8 1 by 4. The second term is equal to 2 by 4 plus 8. This is equal to 1 by 2 plus 8, which is equal to 8 1 by 2. The third term is equal to 3 by 4 plus 8, which is equal to 8 3 by 4. And the fourth term is equal to 4 upon 4 plus 8, which is equal to 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. So here we can see we got all the 4 terms: 8 1 by 4, 8 1 by 2, 8 3 by 4, and 9. Moving on to the next sum. In question 6, we have to find the first three terms and the eighth term of the sequence with the given nth term. So this is nth term. We have to find the first three terms. So nth term is equal to half n plus 6. So first term is equal to 1 by 2 plus 6. So this is equal to 6 1 by 2. Similarly, the second term is equal to 2 by 2 plus 6 is equal to 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. The third term is equal to 3 by 2 plus 6. This is equal to 3 by 2 is 1 by 2 plus 6. This is equal to 7 1 by 2. Now the eighth term. Eighth term is equal to 8 upon 2 plus 6. This is equal to 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. Now moving on to the B part of the question. Here we have to find the three terms and the eighth term like the previous sum. So given nth term is equal to 5n minus 2 1 by 2. So the first term is equal to 5 into 1 minus 2 1 by 2. This is equal to 5 minus 2 1 by 2. So 5 minus 2 1 by 2 is 2 1 by 2. Second term is equal to 5 into 2 minus 2 1 by 2. So this is equal to 10 minus 2 1 by 2. This is equal to, when 2 and half is subtracted from 10, we will get 7 1 by 2. We need to find the third term. Third term is equal to 5 times 3 minus 2 1 by 2. So this is equal to 15 minus 2 1 by 2. This is equal to 12 1 by 2. And finally, we need to find the eighth term. Eighth term is equal to 5 times 8 minus 2 1 by 2. This is equal to 40 minus 2 1 by 2. This is equal to 37 1 by 2. Now, in the same way, this next two sums can be done. Here the only difference is it is decimal values. So let's do one sum. The nth term is 0.2n plus 1.5. So first term is 0.2 into 1 plus 1.5. This is equal to 0.2 plus 1.5, which is equal to 1.7. The second term is obtained by replacing n by 2. So 0.2 into 2 plus 1.5. This is equal to 0.4 plus 1.5. On addition, we will get 1.9. The third term is equal to 0.2 times 3 plus 1.5. This is equal to 0.6 plus 1.5. This is equal to 2.1. And finally, we need to find the eighth term. 8th term is equal to 0.2 into 8 plus 1.5. This is equal to 0.2 into 8 is 1.6 plus 1.5, which is equal to 3.1. Similarly, we can do this sum using the same method. Let's move on to the next sum. Here a situation is given, Ions method and Lynch method. In Lynch method, we can see she has solved this equation by equating the expression with the given number. So this given number 51 is a term of the sequence. So she has found the value of n, the position number. So 4n plus 3 is equated to 51 and n is 12. So 51 is the 12th term, and yes, it is a term of the given sequence. Now Ian's method is different. He took the nth term and replaced n by 1, 2, 3, 4. This is trial and error method. He found the terms of the sequence, first term, second term, third term, like that. He found many terms, and at the end he found that 51 is also a term of the sequence. Now here we have two methods, one by substituting different values for n and one by equating the given expression with a number which is a term of the sequence. Now using these two methods, we need to answer some of the questions. Use Yan's method and Lynch method to work out the answer to this question. The nth term expression for a sequence is 3n plus 5. Is the number 48 a term in this sequence? So the expression is given and we need to find whether 48 is a term of the sequence. We will do the A part. So by Ian's method, so the expression nth term is 3n plus 5. So when n is equal to 1, so this expression becomes 3 into 1 plus 5, which is equal to 8. When n is equal to 2, this is 3 times 2 plus 5 is equal to 11. Like this, we will find n is equal to some bigger value. Now I am going to take a value like n is equal to 12. N is equal to 12 or 13. 13, say 13. 3 times 13 plus 5. 13 times 3 is 13. 39. 39 plus 5 is 44. Let us take n is equal to 14. So 3 times 14 plus 5. 3 times 14 is 42. 3 times 14. 42 plus 5 is 47. Take n is equal to 15. If you take n is equal to 15, it will be 3 times 15 plus 5. 3 times 15 is 45. 45 plus 5 is equal to 50. Now you can see here, when n is equal to 14, the value is 47. When n is equal to 15, the value is 45. So it means 48 is not a term in the sequence. 48 is not a term in the sequence. Now, question B, C are individual opinions. Use your preferred E part of the question. Use your preferred method to work out the answers to this question. The nth term expression for a sequence is 2n minus 3. Is the number 39 a term in this sequence? Now we will use AND's method for this sum. The given expression is 2n minus 3 when n is equal to let us take 20. This is 2 times 20 minus 3, which is equal to 40 minus 3 is equal to 37. Now let's take when n is equal to 21. So this becomes 2 into 21 minus 3. This is equal to 42 minus 3 is equal to 39. It shows that this is a term of this is the number 39. Yes, 39 is a term of the sequence. 39 is a term. 39 is a term. Now we will do the second part of the sum. Here there is less space, so I am using this. Now second part of this question. The given expression is 6n plus 7. So is 60 a term in this sequence? Is 60 a term of the sequence? We will find it out. Now we will put 8 when n is equal to 8. When n is equal to 8. So this becomes 6 into 8 plus 7. This is equal to 48 plus 7, which is equal to 55. When n is equal to 9, so it becomes 6 into 9 plus 7, 54 plus 7 is equal to 61. But the given question is 60 a term? So we can say no, 60 is not a term in this sequence. Let's move on to the next sum. Here we have few sums. We will do few from this set of questions. We need to find the nth term. So here, question A, the sequence of numbers is 6, 8, 10, 12. So here 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12. So nth term is equal to 2n plus, now here you put 1. So 2 into 1 is 2. 2 plus something should give us 6, and that something value is 4. Now we will check whether our answer is correct. We put 2 here. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 plus 4, 8. Put 3 here. 2 into 3, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. Put 4. 2 into 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. So that means our nth term is correct. Now moving on to question number B. It is 5, 8, 11, 14. 5 plus 3 gives us 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 plus 3 is 14. So the nth term is equal to 3n plus something. Now here this something we will find out. When you put n is equal to 1, 3 into 1 is 3. 3 plus something should give us 5, and that something is 2. Let's check for other values. So 3 into 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 3 into 3, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 3 into 4, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. So the nth term is correct. Now let's do question number E. C and D students must try themselves. E. E is 2, 10, 18, 26. So 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 plus 8 is 18. 18 plus 8 is 26. So nth term is equal to 8n plus. Now let's find out what is something. 8 into 1 is 8. 8 plus something should give 2. So that means this plus sign is not the symbol. We have to remove this. We have to replace with minus sign. So 8 into 1, 8. 8 minus 6 will give us 2. So let's check for other values. 8 into 2, 16. 16 minus 6 is equal to 10. 8 into 3 is 24. 24 minus 6 is 18. 8 into 4, 32. 32 minus 6 is 26. So that means our nth term is correct. Let's move on to the next sum. Sophia and Marcus are looking at the number sequence 4, 4 and a half, 5, 5 and a half, 6. Sophia thinks the nth term of the expression is 4n plus 1 by 2, and Marcus thinks the nth term of the sequence is half n plus 4. Now we have to find out whether they are correct or not, and we have to explain the answer. Now let us rewrite the given sequence. It is 4, 4, 1 by 2, 5, 5, 1 by 2, 6. So 4, with 4 if you add 1 by 2 you will get 4 and half. With 4 and half when you add half you will get 5. With 5 when you add half you get 5 and half. And with 5 and half if you add you will get 6. So the nth term is equal to half n plus something. Now let us find out what is that something. Now if you put n is equal to 1, this will become 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus something should give us 4. 1 by 2 plus something means 3 by 2. If you add 3 by 2, then only you will get 4. So when you put 1, half into 1 is half. Half plus 3 by 2 is 4 by 2. 4. Half in n by 2. Sorry, this will not be 3 by 2. So it will be some other value. When you put half, half plus something should give you 4. So half plus 3 and half will give 3 and half. 3 1 by 2 will give you 4. So this should be 3 1 by 2. Now let's put 2. 2 by 2 is 1. 1 plus 3 and a half is 4 and a half. Put 3. 3 by 2. 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2. 3 by 2 plus 3 and a half. We will check that one. 3 by 2 plus 3 and a half. So 3 by 2 means 1 1 by 2. 1 1 by 2 plus 3 1 by 2, which is equal to 5. And this 5 is here. So that means our sequence is working. So if you compare this nth term, here both Sophia and Marcus are wrong. So we can conclude by saying that both Sophia and Marcus are incorrect. Now here we have expression for the nth. We have to find out the expression for the nth term. I think students should work out and find the nth term of the given sequence. So let us wind up this video. Hope everyone will find this helpful.